To solve the following quadratic equation, I'm first of all going to write it in the form of the general quadratic form, just by putting equal to 0. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor. This one's a little tricky because I do have a value of a of 3, so I'm going to try a combination here of 3x times x something. So my product is 4, so my factors could be 3 and 1, they could be 2 and 2. My negative 13, it would have to add up to be negative 13. So I'm going to look first of all at my negative 1 and negative 4 and see if that fits. So that would give me negative 1 times negative 4 would definitely give me my 4. I'd have a negative 12x minus x, which would give me my negative 13, so that is correct. So I'm going to set that equal to 0, so those are my factors. So I'd have 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So that would be 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1/3, and here x is equal to 4. However, before I say that I did find the roots, I need to check it. So I'm going to check in my original equation. So I have 3 1/3 squared minus 13 times 1/3 plus 4 is equal to 0. So 3 times 1/3 squared, which will be 3 over 9, which will give me 1/3, minus 13 over 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. So that'll give me a negative 12 over 3. And if I want to change the 4 to over 3, that would be plus 12 over 3. And those will both equal 0 when I add them together. So I'm okay for the 1/3. When x is equal to 4, I would have 3 times 4 squared minus 13 times 4 plus 4 equal to 0. And that would be 3 times 16 minus 52 plus 4 is equal to 0. And that would be 48 minus 52 plus 4 equal to 0. And 48 minus 52 will give me negative 4 plus 4, which will give me 0 is equal to 0. So that is correct as well. So I can conclude that my roots are 1/3 and x is equal to 4.